Good morning, students. I am Sareer Fatma, your maths teacher of class 7A. I welcome you in maths class. Today we are going to start chapter 1. Student, we often speak some words in our daily life which represent a collection of things like a team of players, a bunch of flowers, a group of friends. Word team, bunch, group show collection of things. But in mathematics, we use a single word to show collection of things, and that is set. In our daily life, we observe many examples of sets. In our classroom, set of books and set of boys of class 7A, etc. Student, you already learned about set in class 6. Now, can you tell me what is set? Set is a collection of well-defined and distinct objects. The objects of a set are called its member or element. Here I use two terms, well-defined and distinct. What is the meaning of well-defined? Well-defined means we can tell definitely whether any object does or does not belong to a set. For example, set of players of cricket team. When I am talking about set of players of cricket team, you can easily understand I am talking about 11 players of cricket team. Second example, set of provinces of Pakistan. Now, what is the meaning of distinct? Students, distinct means same element should not appear more than once. Example, the set of the letter word is small. Here, letter L is written once. Any element is written twice, that is not a set. Now, can you tell me following examples of collection are well defined or not? First example, the collection of good stories. Second one, the collection of favorite poems. Student, word good and favorite are not well defined because a story may be good in a view of one person but may not be for the other person. Similarly, one poem is favorite of one person but not for others. Set notation. We usually represent sets by capital letters A, B, C till Z of English alphabets. Elements in a set represented by small letters. Same elements of a set are written within brackets separated by commas. Example, set of pet A equal to curly bracket cow, horse, goat, etc. Here A is the name of the set, then cow, horse, goat are the elements of the set. Now on today's main topic is operation on sets. When two or more sets combine together to form one set under the given condition, then operation on set are carried out. What are the basic operation on sets? Basic operation of sets are as follow: complement, union, product, intersection and difference. Student, here we discuss only two basic operations on sets, union and intersection. Union of two set. A set containing all elements belonging to either to A or B or both in A and B. In other words, if we list all the elements of set A and B together in a new set without repeating common element, then this new set is called union of a set A and B. It is denoted by A union B. This U is a sign of union. Some examples are given. Example number 1, set A, elements are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Set B, elements are 4, 5, 6. Then find A union B. First you have to write A union B, set A, then sign of union. Instead of B you will write set B. Now combine both sets together without repeating common element. 1, 2, 3, 4 present in both sets, so we write once, then 5, then 6. Example number 2, set A and B is given, then find A union B. First we will write A union B, then set A, elements are 11, 12 and 13, sign of union, and set B. Set B is an empty set, so we don't have any element in set B, so answer is 11, 12, 13, only the members of set A. Union of three sets. If set A, B and C are given, then find A union B union C. Student, first we solve bracket A union B. Set A, sign of union, set B. Now again common